My name is Clint McRee. I am one of the co-founders and Chief Operating Officer of SourceDay. SourceDay began from when my background and experience in manufacturing. Many companies struggle with supply chain issues and materials and getting materials in the door, and they're using the information from their suppliers to run their businesses. And a lot of times the information they have is inaccurate, old, and so what we wanted to do with SourceDay is give our customers an opportunity to better collaborate with their suppliers so they could run their businesses much more efficiently. Yeah, that's a great question. This is an area that a lot of companies are starting to explore, is how they can automate the part of the business for them today that's very analog. So dealing with suppliers, collaborating with suppliers is still very manual. A lot of times it happens, and most of the time it happens outside the ERP system. You're emailing purchase orders back and forth, but you're having to manually input information. So if supplier makes changes to a purchase order, you have to manually key that into your ERP system. And so today that's incredibly error prone, so it causes a lot of issues with data entry errors. And so SourceDay helps that automation flow back and forth between not only the supplier, but into the customer's ERP system. So we're taking away that manual input, the analog information that you're having to key back and forth, and just leaving it in an automated format. So that way suppliers can take quick action, collaborate back and forth with their buyers, and that information gets pushed through an integration into the ERP system. So it all remains automated and in one system. Biggest value for SourceDay customers is being able to run an efficient business with the information coming from their suppliers. Suppliers represent outside risk to manufacturing companies and distribution companies. And so one of the things that they need to be able to do better is understand where their suppliers are. So one of the things we do is help suppliers work more closely with their customers, hold up their end of the agreements, their dates, their material needs, etc., so that they can in turn run a more efficient business. So that's the biggest value that we bring to our customers. Well, the sky's the limit for our organization. We started with something very simple. We wanted to help customers with purchasing and supply chain issues. We really want to be the end-all be-all for the supplier relationship, whether you're dealing with suppliers from a purchasing standpoint or from AP automation, if you're looking to automate some of your accounts payable, all the way to building out a supply chain marketplace. Those are the futuristic things that we'll be doing in our company to really disrupt how most companies are doing business today.